If you want to activate Gemini on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, then we have many different ways that allow you to do so. So you can, for example, press and hold the power button. This allows you to quickly activate the Gemini, and then the microphone is going to be activated as well, so you can say things out loud and ask Gemini about anything you want to. You can also tap on the microphone in case you want to turn it off. Of course, then you can write any prompt that you want to ask Gemini, and you should be able to get an answer. Besides that, we have the option to use this plus here to include something like some files, or maybe if you want to make Gemini generate an image or make a music and so on and so forth, then you can select that over here. We also have the live option, so these three lines that we have here are used to activate the live mode with the Gemini, which allows you to have more like a proper conversation with the Gemini, or something close to a proper conversation. There is also the screen share option with the live features, so in case you have something on your screen that you want to be explained, then of course you might want to ask Gemini about it, and you should be able to get some information about it. Now, besides that, you can also activate the Gemini by using a swipe gesture, but it only works if you use gestures for navigation. You can swipe from the bottom left corner or from the bottom right corner, and just slide it into the middle, just like that, and as you can see, it activates the Gemini as well. Besides that, we can also find the Gemini app in the Google folder over here in our app drawer, which also allows you to quickly open the whole Gemini app, where we have pretty much the same list of features, if not even slightly more, and you can just do exactly the same thing, but just inside the app over here. You can also find the history, so if you want to go back to one of the conversations, then you might be able to find them over here. There is also this option that allows you to activate temporary chats, so whatever you discuss with the Gemini over there, it won't be saved here in the history, in the recents. Actually, while being in the Gemini app, there is one more thing that I have to mention, and that is the fact that we can activate voice activation, which is Hey Google. If you want to do that, you can tap on these two lines again. This time we're going to tap on our Google account at the bottom of the screen. Over here in this menu, you want to go to Settings, and then you should be able to find Talk to Gemini hands-free, which we can easily enable. So then once you set it up, you should be able to say Hey Google out loud to your phone to be able to activate the Gemini without doing anything on your phone. And last but not least, we can also set up a widget. So if you want to set up a widget, what you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on the Gemini app if you have it on the home screen, and you can go to widgets over here. Then we will have this 2x2 widget, so we can press and hold our finger and then just drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. You can of course still adjust the size of the widget if you want to. By doing so, you might even be able to find more features, more shortcuts that you can immediately activate. And there we go. Now, in case you don't have the Gemini app in the on the home screen, and then you can press and hold your finger on an empty space on the home screen. At the bottom, you will find widgets. Then over here, we need to find the Gemini, and then you can do exactly the same thing. So just press and hold your finger and just drag and drop it anywhere you want it to be. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.